Go ahead. Sorry, you were saying?
Yeah, the road traffic act section 37, subsection 3. The police authority to stop and inspect the documentation as well as the driver's license. That I asked before, I like to inspect the driver's license and the documentation. You have the device carry on the...
Hi everyone, Jermaine Dunn here, Dunn Audit the Law, back with another video. I know you all have been wondering where I am, what's been going on, but just note, I am here. I have not been gone anywhere, battling the cases, several cases in the court, amongst many other things. So I hope you do enjoy this video with the police interaction. Very recent video. This video was recorded with this interaction towards the end of November 2024. So you will see this interaction where I am very probing the officer, just the very same way that they like to probe individuals. And you will see where during this probe, I am asking questions to ascertain the legalities of the stop and all of that. Uniform, finding out what type of uniform, or that they consider the uniform to be, so on and so forth. So I hope you do like this, subscribe, and share this video so many people can gain education from it. See you in the comment section.
The motor vehicle?
You're running, officer, man.
Yeah, so I'm asking if you have a driver's license.
I do have it, but I would rather if you run it. Because if you're saying you're doing a regular inspection, you will see my image on and everything.
So you're the owner for the vehicle?
I am, and you will see me pop up. So, that's that.
No problem.
Officer, can I see you? My name is Jermaine Dunn, by the way. I never want to interact.
If you say vehicle in your name, it will come up.
I can't see the badge number, officer.
20601.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Jermaine Dunn.
Yes, but question though, what about the reflective vest?
The reflective vest, not everyone has them. However, in the situation of the stop here, I mean, there's lighting. You should have them, but there's lighting and so forth. But
Force order, the recs that an officer must have on reflective vest. If you're in denim suit, you must wear reflective vest to be able to lawfully stop a motor vehicle.
Right.
So that means you would have stopped me a while ago without the reflective vest, and therefore the stop would have been unlawful, not true? I can show you the force order. I can bring it up right now.
Not necessarily. Hold on.
I can produce the force order that direct same. The commissioner has made it clear. Only officers who are wearing, once officers are in denim suit, must be wearing reflective vests to be able to lawfully stop a motor vehicle. So I would classify this as an unlawful stop.
And you have that force order?
Yeah, man, I can show you it right now. Bring it up right now.
Have a look at it.
But you have to go have it. I don't want to stop my recording. So when you're finished, I can show you the force order though.
When you're finished, system kind of move, so just
yeah, man, not a problem. I could have squared the rain and fall in the police on the road today. Oh,
and they didn't say rain and fall in the JCF.
When I pass a group out of Burger King out of the motherfucker, I'm like, what is that today?
So I said rain and fall. Oh, she's smoking now. So Mr. Jermaine Dunn, Port Antonio.
Would you classify this as a new blue suit, the new blue uniform, as per the April 2024 force order?
I think it's moving towards that, but them it's not official.
The force order, April 2024 force order 40 something like that. I don't remember the exact number. Dictates that the new blue is a new uniform. So I'm asking, is this a new blue?
I would think so.
You would classify it as a new blue? Okay.
The system is saying you have 2 outstanding tickets.
Can be. The system is clear of all tickets. What are they for? Speeding?
Right.
could never, because I can sign in right now and show you that they're gone. You don't want to come too close to your firearm officer.
Firearm on the right side.
All right, cool.
So Jermaine Dunn.
Yes.
All the info. Okay, both standing tickets. The first one is exceeding speed.
Remember dispose, man. Dispose.
Yeah, but you see, we still have to inquire because my time it not really
I
come off
challenge.
for the system.
I get you. But it was supposed to come off. I challenge every ticket, man. Dispose in court. Dispose.
So far, documents with the motor vehicle is up to date, the driver's license is up to date as well. As I said, it's just the 2 tickets, but I just say, yeah, this...
Yeah, man, innocent and dispose.
Them still up on the system, so...
Yo,
alright.
When we done there, I'll show you the dispose. You're going to log in and show you the dispose. But there's no warrant out there, isn't it? There will be no warrants. Right.
It's just unfair. But
No,
my
man.
time, like, for a situation like this now, you can call the Elliston Road.
Well, I don't want to call him, you know why I don't want to call
Yeah,
him?
man, and them get to sort out and get their prices.
Guess why I don't want to call him? Because I know it's on for the system on my end.
Yeah, but the system we are working with it a show, so we have to now call him down there, have to make sure say, yo,
But
it's
this-
definitely yes or not.
Can stop recording now. So that was the video, guys. Now, key for you to understand is that section 3, subsection 2A of the Constabulary Force Act makes it clear that the Commissioner of Police has sole operational command and superintendence of the force. That means, viewers and subscribers, that anything the Commissioner of Police says that the police must do, how they must dress, etc., is what they must follow. If they fail to follow same, then the constables are not acting lawfully. Now, the Commissioner of Police commands the force primarily using force orders because it's a big force. He can't be everywhere next to every officer to command them. And he or she relies on the superintendents and his assistants, so on, to help with the command of the force. And this is done by force orders and the various policies, such as the public interaction policy of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, amongst others. So, viewers and subscribers, keen for you to understand, I was probing this officer for the as it relates to his dress code, as it relates to, you know, if it depending on what uniform he's wearing, or he said he's wearing, you know, is it the new blue, which he must have on name tag and it must be in a certain way, you know, and if he's not wearing name tag, then he's not in uniform. Therefore, according to the force orders, according to the policies of the force, he's not properly attired, and therefore the stop is unlawful. So you hear me laughing in the videos many times, viewers and subscribers, because it's sort of it's funny, but it's not so funny. You see how the officer was, you know, the system somehow the system that I have access to and the public have access to shows that my tickets have been disposed in court, but it's somehow the system that he has is showing that my tickets are not disposed. What a system. Guys, look out for the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and look out for many educational content that comes from this channel. Dunn Audit the Law. Until next time.